whenever you were a kid, did you always look at the other kids in your neighborhood and at school like they're so bigger, they're so much bigger than you, taller, faster, stronger, funnier, they get more attention, they're more popular, and you used to think to yourself, damn, am I not popular? Am I not funny? You used to question your traits because you see them in other people and they're getting more attention with theirs, but you're not getting that much with yours. So you'd be like, damn, am I not funny enough? Am I not attractive enough, popular enough, good at sports, athletic? You ask yourself, are you good enough? In this video, we are going to dissect why you should always allow the universe to work for you. Allow the universe to work for you. Yo, yo, yo. It's 𝗬𝗵𝗘, how you feeling? Yay. Allow the universe to work for you. Y'all know how this goes. Everything we talk about, we must break down. Life is about chapters and levels. Life is a game, okay? How you work that game, how you play that game, how fast you run through the levels, or how slow, right? It's based on your attributes, okay? So we must break this down. Allow the universe to work for you. So we are breaking down a concept that is in motion, working, right? Envision somebody, yourself, your parents working, right? They got to get up, go, leave from their domain place to go to another, okay? So they are exerting force, they are exerting energy, efforts, right? Allow the universe to work for you. Break down the word universe. 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 What does uni mean? Uni means one. Unison. Unite. Unity. That's one. Uniform. That's one. Okay, remember these words. And verse, depending on how you look at it, verse is an excerpt in a song, an excerpt in a book, right? Yeah, I got my verse, you got your verse, and we're going to do the chorus together. You see? In the Bible, in a book, this verse, read this verse right here. Read this. Yeah, it's a lesson, okay? So we can say that universe is a collection of songs, a collection of words that is meant to stay connected, that is meant to be one, in unison, right? We are all musicians. We are all singers, songwriters, producers, and making our own music. You know what they say, listen to the own beat of your drum, dance to the own beat of your drum. Yeah, that is being connected to the universe, the universe. Because guess whose singular idea and singular concept you are dancing to? That's like you having a favorite singer and songwriter, a favorite rapper, a favorite artist that you always listen to. If you had to listen to that significant artist for 24 hours, who would that be? I'm choosing JB. Who are you choosing? You know what I mean? So, universe, right? We are all connected with different songs, right? You have a different style. I have a different style. 3 of your homeboys have different styles, but we are all under the same umbrella, okay? So allowing the universe to work for you. This is a energy cycle. This is a way of disconnecting to reconnect. So, like I mentioned before, allowing the universe, something that is unknown to most, the stars, alignments, astrology, signs, omens of life, right? People, songs. There are so many different signs and omens that we miss in our day-to-day because we are so distracted. And you know why we become distracted fast? Because of how the influx in which they are reigning in on TikTok, all these different social media platforms, and the distractions that our peers who are closest to us, our acquaintances, our coworkers, are feeding off of. So they're feeding that to you. Like, it's almost like saying this is the only meal they know how to cook. And the meal is called distractions with no sides. What's for dinner? Distractions. Here you go. Damn, again? We can have something. My taste buds want something new today. Well, we got distractions again. We got procrastinations again. Here you go. Go ahead. Eat that. Damn. So then you get comfortable living with eating distractions and eating procrastination. You see what I'm saying? So it's also attached to ego. You being so disconnected and out of touch to music, how to sync up your music to their car, and how they can sync up their music to your car, and you know what I mean, vice versa. So allowing the universe to work for you is the art of letting go. I made videos about letting go and exerting least effort, right? But when you are constantly changing the evolution of your mind and exercising the biggest muscle that we have on the top of our shoulders, let alone our biceps, that's small. Quads, oh, it's four muscles. Don't matter. Hamstrings, don't matter. This is the strongest, most important muscle we should be exercising daily. Not because we are told to. Schooling, indoctrination, jail. Not because we're told to. And then they are given a certain curriculum to feed us. Distractions, procrastination. You see, it's a cycle. You have to do your own schooling on things that make your brain kind of question, like, this don't sit right with me. That's kind of uneasy, right? Like, I know they all said it was right, but I'm gonna go back and kind of do some research on that. Like, how, talk about placebo effect, and right? So allowing the universe to work for you is one of the symptoms of exerting least effort, because you realize that you are everything. You are connected to everything. Nothing is outside of you. Money, cars, anything that is material, that is so minute on the scale. But what about the things that you cannot buy and you cannot have and genuinely feel? Love, peace, zen, joy, loyalty, happiness, graciousness, gratitude. You see? Because then everything you do in your day-to-day is intentional. So you are walking not knowing where you're going, but the universe is guiding you subconsciously. Because why? You have allowed the universe to work for you. You have given up your ego. You have killed your ego. And ego deaths happen over and over again. So it's not just a one-time thing and it's done. But doing it once is so better than not doing it at all. So you walking with the universe, you listening. It's not a person. The ego wants to have a being, a physical being with flesh, so they can connect the universe and God. It's about consciousness. That's what the universe is. One consciousness. That's why they told you in the beginning, we have a human race. But because of your ego, which is the same aspect they transform into religion, my religion is so much better than yours. My God is so much more mightier than yours, so much more powerful than yours, so much more forgiving than yours. You Buddhists? Nah. You atheists? Nah. Damn sure nah. Catholics? Nah. Because I'm a Christian, so my religion is better than yours, and my God, nah. You put all of these different religious backgrounds in a room, you're bound to see a fight. You're bound to see a fight. Might as well get your snacks. So there is one race. And it's funny because we were never running after each other. We were never chasing after each other, ever. They indoctrinated that thought in our brains. Black people are behind. Mexicans are behind. Asians are so light years ahead. Indians behind. White people, they right behind the Asians. Caucasian, Asian, right? No, 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 and no. Human race. Universal energy. God beings, Christ consciousness. That's what we live by. That's what we live by. So the more you connect what you feel to other people, and it's not to do the religious game, because God came to me in my sleep and God saved me, okay? You're God. God saved you. What you want to do is take the water and sprinkle it on everybody who's walking past you. You can't do that. You can't do that. You can't just take your water bottle and just spray them. Bruh. What if this is their last batch of clothes? They don't have no detergent. They light bill, they ain't pay they light bill, they ain't pay they water bill. You just dirtied up all their clothes because you were so convinced and convicted that your God told you to go outside and sprinkle water over the people that you think are condemned and damned to hell. You see? So, allowing the universe to work for you is a skill. Because being a part of the unknown is some of the... Wow. It's a phenomenal awakening. I'll tell you that. But other people around you, they get antsy. They get tense. They get guilty at times too. Because they want to be in the know so bad, but they are afraid of the unknown. How to become known is to stay in the unknown for a very, very long time. And guess what? Time doesn't exist. There is no time concept when it comes to the universe. Being a spiritual light being. Being light on your feet. You're not heavy. You don't have things on your back weighing you down. Distractions, procrastinations, worries, guilty pleasures, stresses, anxieties. You don't give those things power over your being. So you fly. You flying from this place to that place, and they wonder, where the hell you been at? I've been flying around. So, whenever you can, however you can, continuously remind yourself that you are a part of everything. Everything is you, and you are everything. Everything is you, and you are everything. That's a mantra that y'all need to say to yourself every single day when y'all brush your teeth in the mirror. I am everything, and everything is me. I am everything, and everything is me. I am everything, and everything is me. You say that to yourself every day. You're going to become a lot more joyful, a lot more grateful, a lot more loving and giving, because you do this to your ego. Somebody who is egotistical, you tell them that shit, they're going to be like, what the hell are you talking about? You talking some nonsense. I don't believe that. I'm a part of everything. Well, I got bills to pay. Bills. The more you live under their rules is the more you'll never be able to rule anything. You'll never be able to rule. And that's what they want. So stay focused, just be simple, take care of yourself, and live in righteousness, live in truth, and live in love.